Today, we'll explore the implications of eating dinner as your only meal for 30 days. We'll discuss potential risks, benefits, and key considerations. A major risk is nutritional deficiencies, since it can be hard to get all the necessary nutrients from just one meal. Our bodies constantly need building blocks like essential fatty acids and amino acids for tissue, bones, and muscles. Additionally, we require energy from food and micronutrients, vitamins and minerals, to convert that food into energy. Even though fewer calories may lower micronutrient needs, it's still essential to get enough nutrients when eating once daily. If you're limiting yourself to one meal, make it nutrient-dense. Take the time to ensure that your meal meets all your nutritional needs. Let's move on to some basics of fasting. Many people believe fasting brings health benefits, such as preserving muscle and boosting metabolism, and it's important to understand how your body adapts when you skip meals. One myth is that fasting leads to muscle loss. In reality, muscle breakdown occurs only during prolonged fasting. What you eat after fasting is crucial. Prioritize high-quality, nutrient-dense meals like grilled chicken, leafy greens, and healthy fats to support muscle health and energy levels. Fasting also promotes autophagy, the body's way of recycling damaged cells and proteins, leading to better tissue quality and even anti-aging benefits. Moreover, fasting increases growth hormone production, which helps build muscle and burn fat while preserving tissue. In summary, fasting isn't just about calorie restriction, it's about allowing your body to repair, rebuild, and thrive. Energy and fatigue during transition. Many people feel tired or sluggish when they start fasting as their body adapts from using quick sugars to burning fat for energy. This adjustment can take a few days, but once it happens, energy levels often improve significantly. If you're underweight or feeling extremely fatigued, consider alternating between one meal a day and 2 or 3 meals. Lightheadedness could indicate a loss of electrolytes, so a pinch of salt in water or electrolyte supplements can help. Blood sugar regulation and insulin sensitivity. Fasting is beneficial for blood sugar regulation. Eating less frequently helps stabilize blood sugar levels and improves insulin sensitivity, which gets disrupted by processed foods and frequent snacking. Your body can manage low blood sugar effectively when not constantly snacking. The role of insulin in weight gain and loss. Insulin is a storage hormone that rises every time you eat, particularly with high-carb meals. Frequent eating keeps insulin elevated, leading to resistance over time and making fat burning difficult. Fasting lowers insulin levels, facilitating fat loss. Reversing insulin resistance and losing weight. Fasting lowers insulin levels, making your body more sensitive to insulin and improving blood sugar control. It allows your body to access fat stores for energy, which is hard to do when insulin is high. Remember, the quality of food during your eating window matters. Focus on protein, healthy fats, and non-starchy vegetables. Fasting is a scientifically backed method for improving health, aiding in muscle preservation, enhancing autophagy, regulating blood sugar, and lowering insulin levels. Balance is crucial. Prioritize nutrient-dense meals, listen to your body, and adapt your fasting routine as needed. Are you ready to let your body work smarter? Try fasting and see the benefits for yourself. Insulin and its role. Historically, insulin was essential for survival during scarce food periods, helping to store energy for times of famine. Today, with food plentiful and often sugary, insulin faces a different challenge. Constant eating keeps insulin levels high, leading to weight gain and chronic conditions. Exploring the practice of eating one meal a day can help break this cycle. Blood sugar and insulin dynamics. When you eat, your blood sugar rises, prompting the pancreas to release insulin to store that sugar. If you consume more calories than you burn, the excess is locked away as fat. Frequent meals lead to high insulin levels, making it hard to tap into fat stores, resulting in hunger even when full. By reducing meal frequency, insulin levels drop, allowing the body to access stored energy, stabilize hunger, and lower the risk of insulin resistance, important for preventing diabetes. Benefits of reducing meal frequency. Eating less often can lower insulin levels, improving cell sensitivity, and encouraging fat burning rather than constant food reliance. This shift supports weight loss, enhances focus, and triggers autophagy, a process that cleans out damaged cells, promoting better cellular health. Fewer meals also stabilize energy levels, eliminating sugar highs and crashes, leading to increased mental clarity. Gut health improvement. Constant eating can hinder gut health. Reducing meal frequency allows the digestive system to heal, reduces inflammation, and promotes beneficial bacteria growth, which supports digestion, immunity, and mental health. Considerations for eating one meal a day. This eating approach isn't suitable for everyone. Those underweight, pregnant, or managing specific health conditions, along with highly active individuals, might find it challenging. If you're interested in trying this lifestyle, consult with a healthcare provider to ensure it meets your individual needs. Tips for transitioning to one meal a day. Transitioning to one meal a day requires patience. Start by gradually reducing your meal frequency. Move from 3 meals to 2, then shorten your eating window. Focus on nutrient-dense foods like lean proteins, healthy fats, and vegetables to stay satisfied and regulate blood sugar. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water, and consider adding electrolytes if you feel low on energy. Always listen to your body. Adjust if you experience fatigue or discomfort. Rotating meal patterns for optimal health. To prevent your body from adapting too much, rotate your meal patterns. For instance, eat 2 meals a day within a 6 to 8 hour window a few times a week. Alternatively, try a fasting mimicking diet with very low-calorie meals for several days, like eating 3 avocados spread throughout the day for essential nutrients. Final thoughts on flexibility and adaptation. Health isn't one size fits all. Experiment to find what works for you, and remember that consistent, small changes are key. Flexibility in your meal patterns can help you stick to your health goals. Eating one meal a day has many benefits, including improved insulin sensitivity and gut health. The main takeaway is flexibility. Find the balance that suits your lifestyle. If you found these insights helpful, subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for watching, and here's to your health journey.